Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. After a long time, we are starting with a new lesson. Not new lesson, it is the practice book. This is the practice book, and we will start with the practice book, chapter 1. It is related with your course book, chapter 1. This is an unseen passage, okay? This is a passage, comprehension. We'll have to read this story and put true and false from this story. I will read the story for you, and what you have to do, you'll have to answer this, which one is true and which one is false in your copy, and send it to me. No need to write the question, you just write the number, and against that number you write either it is true or false. You don't need to write the full sentence for me. Okay, you just write this number, and against that number you write it true or false. I will understand. Now first let me read the story for you. Once upon a time there was a crow. He loved shiny things. One day he sat on the branch of a tree. The tree was near a big window of a house. The crow saw a lady's room through the window. He saw a lady keeping a beautiful necklace on the table. The necklace was made of shiny beads. As soon as she left the room, the crow flew inside. He picked up the necklace in his beak and flew back to the branch. The lady came back. She went to the table and saw that the necklace was missing. She searched for it everywhere. When she could not find it, she started crying. After some time, she looked out the window. She saw her necklace shining in the sunlight. She ran to the window and shouted, "Shoo!" The crow got such a fright that he dropped the necklace and flew away. The lady ran out and picked up her necklace. So this is a very interesting story of a crow. Okay. Although the chapter name is Monkey Orchestra, this is related with that chapter in this figure. That chapter had a story of monkey and Baloo and Mowgli, and now here it is given. This is to make you practice how to read a story and how to find the answer from that story. Okay, I have read the story for you. Now let me explain it to you. Once upon a time there was a crow who loved shiny things. Okay, and one day what happened, when he was resting in the branch of a tree, he saw a window, and from that window what did he see? He saw a lady who was putting her shining necklace in the table. Okay, the crow was watching that lady very interestingly because he loved shiny things. That particular crow loved shiny things. When he saw the necklace, that necklace was shining because it was made of shiny beads. What he did, when the lady, after keeping that necklace on the table, the lady left the room. Then what happened? The crow, as he saw that window was open, what he did? He went inside there, he went inside the room and he picked up the necklace with his beak and flew away. Okay, after some time when the lady came back and saw in the table that her necklace was missing, she was so frightened and she was so sad. She started screaming and shouting like, "Where is my necklace? Where is my necklace? I have kept it here. Who has taken my necklace? Please give it back. Please give it back." She was crying and shouting and searching for the necklace, but she could not find it. All of a sudden, her eyes fell on the tree where the crow was sitting. So she saw something shining and she went near the window. She went more nearer to the window. Then what did she find? She saw that her necklace was hanging on the branch of the tree. So what she did? She came back out of the house. She went near the tree and just made the sound shoo, shoo. And this made the crow frightened, and the crow flew away, leaving the necklace there. In this way, the lady got back her necklace and she came back to her house happily and merrily. Now, what you have to do, state whether these statements are true or false. I'll read the questions, but you will have to solve it by yourself. Okay, the crow loved dull things. Is it true or false? We know here, does the crow love dull thing or shiny thing? You'll get the answer here. The crow saw a lady keeping a beautiful necklace on the table. Did the crow saw a lady keeping the necklace on the table? You'll get the answer here. You just have to write T or F. T or F, okay? He quickly picked up the necklace with his wings. Did he pick up the necklace with his wings? or with his beak. You will get the answer here. When the lady could not find the necklace, she started crying. Did the lady cry or she was happy? You will get the answer here. You write number 1, write T or F. Number 2, read this thing. No need to write the question. You just place T or F against the number. Okay? Thank you.